Have you ever accidentally deleted important text messages on your Android phone and thought they were gone forever? Don't worry, guide you how to recover deleted text messages on Android in minutes 2026. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store, search for Google Messages and tap on the app. Make sure it is updated to the latest version because the recovery features only work properly with the newest update. Step 2. Now launch the Google Messages app on your Android device. If you recently deleted any SMS or conversations, this is where you can try to recover them. Step 3. Tap on your Google account icon or profile picture at the top corner. A menu will appear. Look for the trash, archived or recently deleted section depending on your device version. Inside this folder, you will find all your recently deleted messages stored temporarily before permanent deletion. Step 4. Restore messages. Now simply long press the message or conversation you want to recover. You can also select multiple messages at once. After selecting, tap on the restore icon. Within seconds, your deleted text messages will be moved back to your main inbox automatically, just like they were before deletion. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more powerful Android tips and tricks.